Hey little yogis, so happy you're here. Smile big and have fun. Let's move, stretch, and feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a big breath. Let's go. Turtle, can you curl forward like a turtle hiding in its shell? Eagle, can you wrap your arms and balance like an eagle? Good job. Good job. Penguin, walk with small steps like a penguin. Monkey, jump side to side like a monkey. Bear, walk on hands and feet like a bear. Snake stretch. Can you slide low and lift your chest like a snake? Butterfly. Sit and flap your legs like wings. Rabbit. Curl down like a little rabbit. Dolphin. Arms down and lift your hips up. Seal. Push your chest up and look forward. Reverse triangle. Can you twist your body and reach up high? Mountain. Stand tall and stay still. Tree. Balance on one leg like a tree. Table. Hands and knees, keep your back flat. Circle. Move your arms to draw a big circle. Diamond. Can you sit still like a shining diamond? Good job. Half moon. Balance and open your body. Good job. Triangle. Stretch down and reach up. Chair. Bend your knees like sitting. Bridge. Lie down and lift your hips. Warrior 2. Can you stand strong with your arms wide like a warrior? Warrior 3. Lean forward and balance. Airplane. Stretch arms out like flying. One leg. Stand on one leg and hold. Dancer. Hold your foot and balance. Tree variation. Can you balance tall and steady like a strong tree? Good job. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. Robot. Move stiff like a robot. Superhero. Stand strong, hands on hips. Balloon. Breathe in and make your belly big. Good job. Moon. Can you reach up and curve your arms like the moon? Star hold. Hold still, don't move. Smile. Stand tall and give a big, happy smile. Good job.